Hello and welcome to the Beerman Fan TV. It's the uncensored match preview show as San Miguel travel to Lucena, Quezon as they continue looking for reduced deficit to 2-1 against the Alaska Aces at the Quezon Convention Center. So it's game number 3 of the best of 7 finals of the PBA Philippine Cup. San Miguel lost the game twice in the final series. They need to get back as Junmar Fajardo is possibly ready to fit for the tomorrow's game in Quezon. So, kailangan natin paghandaan ni Junmar sakaling may posibilidad na maglalaro siya in 100% fit after he suffered from injury in last week's game against Rain or Shine in the semis. Sa mga players ng San Miguel Beermans, para sa akin, kailangan paghandan nila at kailangan ng tibay ng loob para may kamit ng unang panalo ng final series sa game number 3. And we can win possibly a home court advantage because some of the SMB fans are in Quezon are the favorites to win this game. So, it will be a big home court advantage kapag mangyayari na ito. Then, Arvin Santos naman, ang team captain nila, ay lalong paghandan niya as Arvin is looking for Junmar Fajardo's recovery and ready to play for tomorrow's game. So, kung papayag si Junmar Fajardo ng 100% fit na makakalaro na gawin na ito, papayagan ni Coach Leo Austria para dito. And the rest of the players like Gabi Espinas, Chris Ross, Ronald Tubid, and Lassiter, they made failures in 2 games in the finals. So they need to give their strength back. So we need to recover more play, recover more shooting, and recover more defensive purposes. And they need to get a high rate percentage in the field goal. So, kailangan ng malaking bagay ng San Miguel Beermen at kailangan magbago sila ng panibagong tactics para may panalo na ito to keep SMB title defense hopes alive and the dream of Grand Slam can possibly dream come true this season. So, ang starting 5 sa akin sa game number 3 will be Lassiter, Tubid, Santos, and Cabagnot. I don't know kung either Yancy De Ocampo and or Junmar Fajardo will be starting first. So, kailangan ng super tactics para dito. Ang formation para sa akin for tomorrow's game will be 3-1-1 because it will be helpful to win this game by making an additional defense and setbacks from the all sets in this game. Anyway, let us tell us comment section below. Do you agree with my starting lineup for tomorrow's game? Comments in section below is needed. Like us on Facebook, facebook.com/thebeermanfantv. Follow us on Twitter, Instagram, both at the Beerman Fan TV. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe on the YouTube channel at the Beerman Fan TV. I'm Andre Alvaro and we'll see you in the game and my predictions for me tomorrow will be SMB 93, Aces will be on the 88. San Miguel 93, Aces 98. So that's it. And I'm Alvaro, and we are still alive. We need a championship, one more. We still be the champions. Fear the beer. We're gonna do this. Bye.